Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about the topic fiber to fabric, chapter 3. Some fibers are obtained from plants. Apart from the plants, some fibers like silk and wool obtained from animals. Okay, the next one is variety in fabric. What are the varieties in fabric? Cotton, silk, wool and synthetic. Silk and wool obtained from animals. Cotton is obtained from plants. Synthetic means artificial fiber. Okay, it is not a original fiber. The next topic is fiber. If you stretch the parts of yarn, the yarn splits into thin strands. Here there is an example. Select a piece of cotton fabric. Try to find a loose thread or yarn at one end of the edges and pull it out. If no loose yarn are visible, you can gently pull out with a pin or a needle. Okay. Then thin strands occur. Okay, in the yarn there are thin strands occur. Then the next point is, and when we try to thread a needle, the thread is separated into a few thin strands. Okay, that makes it difficult to pass the thread into the needle. Those thin strands of thread are made of till smaller strands called fiber. You see there small strands are present. What we call that small strands as fiber. Okay ma? Then the next thing is fabric made of yarns. Yarns made of fiber. Then these are the formation of fabric. First about fiber. Fiber is a raw material used in making yarn. It is used to make yarn. Okay. Yarn is used to make fabric. Then fiber is the initial stage in the process of making fabric. Fiber is an initial stage to make fabric. Then the second stage is yarn. Yarn is the second stage in the process of fabric formation. Yarn is made by fiber. It is also a raw material used to make fabric. Okay, yarn is also a raw material. It is used to make what? Fiber. No, sorry, fabric. Like fiber, yarn also a raw material to used to make fabric. It is the fabric. Fabric, it is the final product after fiber and yarn formation to make what? Fabric. Okay ma? First thing is fabric made of yarn. Yarn made of fiber. These are the formation of fabric. Here first of all fiber. Fiber is a raw material used in making yarn. Likewise yarn also a raw material used to make what? Fabric. Then the final stage is fabric. Okay. The final product after fiber and yarn formation to make what? Fabric. The next thing is types of fiber. The fiber of some fabric are obtained from plants and animals. Those fibers are called natural fibers. The fibers obtained from plants as well as animals are what we call it as natural fiber. Natural fibers are plant fiber. First one is plant fiber. Fiber obtained from plants are called plant fiber. Example, cotton and jute. Then animal fiber. The fiber obtained from animals. Wool and silk are animal fiber. Okay. Then wool is obtained from sheep. and silk is obtained from silkworm. Okay, then the second type is synthetic fiber. The fiber made from chemical substances is called synthetic fiber. Examples are polyester, nylon and acrylic rayon are the examples of synthetic fiber. There are two types of fiber. The first one is natural fiber. The second one is synthetic fiber. Natural fiber is made up of natural fibers are of plant and animal fiber. Synthetic fiber are of chemical substances, made of chemical substances. Then some plant fibers. Where does this cotton wool come from? Where does the cotton wool come from? Grown in the field. Okay, it is grown in field using grown at place having black soil and warm climate. Where the cotton wool is growing? In the black soil and warm climate only they are growing. After maturing, ball burst open and the seed covered with cotton fibers can be seen. It look like a snow. Okay, the seed is look like a snow. In the picture also, the pictures are look like a snow, right? Some plant fibers are cotton, right? Cotton wool come from, it is grown in field, usually grown at a place of black soil and warm climate. After maturing, ball burst open and the seed covered with cotton fibers. It looks like a snow. Okay, then from the balls, cotton is usually picked by hands. The first picture, they are picking the cotton by the hands. Fibers are then separated from the seeds by combining. This process is called gaining of cotton. Gaining of cotton. Gaining was traditionally done by hand. These days, nowadays they are having many machines also for gaining. First picture indicates they are picked the cotton by hands. The second picture by machine. Okay. Then jute. First we study about cotton, then jute. Jute fiber is obtained from the stem of jute plant. Here there is a picture of jute plant. Then cultivated during the rainy season. It is cultivated during rainy season. In India, jute is mainly grown in West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. These are the coolest place. So only the jute plant is available in and cultivated in the coolest place. Okay. And it is cultivated during rainy season. So okay, it is normally harvested when it is at flowering stage. Okay, it is harvested at the flowering stage. The stem of the harvested plants are immersed in water for a few days. The stem of the harvested plant are immersed in water for a few days. The stems, root and fibers are separated by hand. Okay, they are separated by hand. Jute fiber is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. It is cultivated in the rainy season. It is grown in West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. It is harvested in flowering stage. Okay. That's all about the today's topic. Okay. Next class we see the remaining topic. Okay, ma. Thank you. Here there is a example video for you.